Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today we got pick package openings. The first one is going to be from Noctis Motus. This is what he sent me in the package that my nephew won from him for being a beginner. His starter pack. So Noctis Motus kindly put some picks in there for me. And the next one's going to be from Daz Evers. He generously made me one of his famous picks. So very excited about that. So let's start with the one from Noctis Motus. As you can see, he's packed it so that no one can get into it from the post office. No chance of getting lost or falling out the packet. So just a quick squeeze at what he sent my nephew, which is all this wonderful stuff. And we'll pop that aside. And these are the picks. Aren't they just fabulous? These are from the SSDeV collection, so they're just made for Aussie kind of locks with the paracentric keyways, because I seem to be coming across quite a lot of them lately, especially in the Lockwoods, which is what I like to play with, what I want to learn with. So thank you very, very much, Noctis Motus. I really appreciate you buying me these special, because you knew I broke all my hooks. So this is going to get me underway. I am going to be picking like crazy now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Next one. This came in a package to Paul Springett, and he's been holding on to this for me. Oh, he sent me two. Are you kidding me? Oh my, have a look at this piece of loveliness. Look at that profile. I said I wanted a hook. He gave me a choice of hooks I wanted, and I needed one. That's just the train going past, excuse that. I wanted one to be able to get them really high back pins because of the low cut in the middle. The gatekeeper, many of the Lockwood key profiles have that, and I've been struggling to pick the Lockwoods because of it. So that is just lovely. Thank you, Daz. I've got this little one wrapped up. Oh my pick stars. You are kidding me. I have seen your work on YouTube for ages and have just melted over it, but to actually see it in person and to hold it, this is absolutely stunning. Oh my, the workmanship, the beautiful profile, this is just, oh wow. Oh, this is snug as a bug in a rug. Oh, that feels wonderful in hand. Oh, Daz, mate, you have excelled yourself on these lot of picks. This is just gorgeous. Wow. Two Daz Evers. Who'd have thought? Wow. Mate. These are absolutely gorgeous. I am going to be in picking heaven. Daz, let me know what I can do to repay you for these pieces of loveliness. Send you some locks. Because just sending you love and thank you through YouTube just does not seem enough. So Noctis, thank you very much, mate. This is extremely thoughtful. I really appreciate you buying these special for me. Wow. Picking in heaven, right there, people. Thank you very much to the lads in the community for reaching out and helping me get started again with picks. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Take care, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.